So, do you have a story about performance testing? Of course I have a story about performance testing. I have a story about everything. This one goes back to NT 3.1 when the GDI team was trying to do performance benchmarks on their graphics subsystem. So they set up two completely identical PCs and they ran their benchmark tests on the two PCs. And the one on the left was 15% slower than the one on the right. And this confused them immensely because these are identical computers. What could possibly be going on here to cause this to behave that way? And they started digging in and they tried everything. They compared the motherboard versions, they compared the computer versions, the hard disk versions, the memory. They checked everything. The processor version, they were all identical. And eventually, in frustration, they said, okay, let's start swapping cards from the left machine to the right machine. Swap the video cards. Left is still 15% slower. They swapped the serial cards. Left is still 15% slower. They swapped everything until they got to the networking cards. They swapped the networking card from the left machine to the right machine, and all of a sudden the machine on the right got 15% slower. So they finally understood what it was. And they pulled out cards, and the cards are identical. Serial numbers are very similar. They're built in the same batch, same manufacturer, same lot number for all the chips, but something about the slower card was different, and it made machines run 15% slower. So bottom line is, there are a staggering number of variables that you need to consider when you're doing performance testing. And if you really want reliable, accurate results, you've got to keep all of those possible variables in mind. And that, frankly, is why performance testing can be so hard to do reliably.